Hey guys, this is Jason Patina with LPT Realty Military Vet Team. Wanted to make this video to give you guys a snapshot of what a day is like as a realtor with LPT Realty on the Military Vet Team. Wake up today at 8:30 to a Zillow Flex call, and I scheduled that appointment for tomorrow at 2, in which I did two different, I was able on the phone to get two different homes to look at. And then of course I set them up for a one home email. So they're currently reviewing about 39 other homes in that area to see if I can get anything else for them. Right now we just got two homes we're going to see tomorrow. Then about 9 to 10, dealt with a marketing group. We're going to be putting together a TV show going over all these great little downtown areas we have in Pinellas County and Hillsborough, specifically on the west coast of Florida. And I'll be telling you more about that in the future. From 10 to 11, had to prep to get over to a training that we had and set up the training at Pinellas Real Estate Organization for our team, where we went over our cold calling, our auto dialers, all of our sources for finding people in the neighborhoods in which we're targeting, and what else we do? Oh yeah, with our investor clients, running through a calculator one of our team members built to understand flippers and the numbers they use and the metrics in which they consider whenever they put an offer on a deal, so that we're able to service our flipper clients. From there, I did some training with some realtors, teaching them how they could recruit to their downline here at LPT. If you know LPT, that's a big deal. We get paid by bringing people into the company, and then we have perpetual wealth that we can actually will to our children and our family from that. At 12 o'clock during lunch, during the training, I got a Zillow real-time call, and damn dogs. Anyways, where were we? Training a realtor. Got done with a realtor, had to bring the equipment home and get all my stuff printed for the, I had two clients that I was meeting today. One that I booked in the morning, and then one that I took from one that I booked yesterday, and then one that I took from a real-time tour today. So I had to print the documentation and the buyer's paperwork for them to go show their homes. Was able to show two homes to one of them, worked with them on contracting costs for doing repair on it, and then went to the other one, worked with them on the home as far as doing a walk on the neighborhood and going over the neighborhood metrics. And then while I was doing that, we had one of my negotiations for $150K. We did a counter on a counter, so we're on our second counter now. While I was doing that, negotiated with the homeowner and the seller for the second home for the second client that I showed. I actually got a hold of the actual seller, negotiated with him, and tried to work out a deal with them, so I may get that actually contracted tomorrow with what I did today. I called back come 7 o'clock or so. I was calling back clients, all my clients that I've been working with right now, and defining the next steps and making sure everybody's clear on what we're doing. I had a current buyer that we're in contract with. They were missing some forms. I had to call him, take care of that. I recruited a realtor that I ran into. He was looking for guidance, I would say, and so I was able to provide that for him. And then I was able to get home and do my market analysis. So I did a CMA as well as prepare some analysis for both the clients that I met with today, explaining the value of both of the homes that they were looking at, and providing them with guidance as far as what pricing should be and what's a deal, what's not a deal, what's market rate. From there, we were able to call my Friday and Saturday clients, confirm with them, try to expand the homes that we're seeing with the searches that I've got them set up on, and just make sure that they're talking to their lenders. Had another client, $420,000 deal I'm doing, needed to get their tax docs to my lender, so I called, confirmed that happened. Then I got to take a shower and relax for about 2 minutes before I decided to write all this out and let you guys know. So basically today I'm juggling 1.421 million in buyer's contracts. And one of those contracts is currently running. The others all in counter offer slash first offer stages. But I'm sharing this video to let you guys know, I started at 8:30 a.m. with my first call. It's 10 a.m. right now. I haven't stopped all day. It's hard to find time to eat healthy food, much less any food. You're if you want to be a realtor, you better be ready to work. Now, on the upside, when I close this $1.4 million of contracts, I'm in at about $40,000. And so, yeah, I'm not complaining. I'm super happy. But a lot of realtors out there, y'all are working with 1 to 4 deals a year, and you don't understand what it's like to be me working with 6 clients a day. And the reason why you don't understand it is because you're not on my team and you're not working for my brokerage. Your brokerage matters. Your team matters. All of these leads are coming from the systems in which the military vet team has set up. And if you guys want to experience busyness like this, if you want to experience wealth that comes from this busyness, and I've experienced wealth. I currently have over $7 million in listing commissions on the MLS. Okay, that's big time. I'm currently, I'm averaging about $20,000 a month in cash to pocket. Okay, that's big time, right? And I've only been doing this since July, people. I've held my license just as a personal plaything for years, and I've only turned this on since July. You can do this, guys. This is just one day. Tomorrow's going to be a whole other list of craziness, and I think I've probably missed 30 things I've done today. I just need you guys to understand that if you want to be a successful realtor, there's ways to do it. And the number one way to do it is be on the right team. If you want to know what it's like to be on the military vet team, you can give me a call at 727-722-8922, or you can email me at jasonknowsflorida@gmail.com. I look forward to talking to you.